Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I clean my shrimp before I cook. This shrimp was poured directly from the bag. So you're going to add some water to cover the shrimp. Then you're going to add some lemon blend. I'm using lemon blend from the bottle because that's what I have available to me right now. If you don't have that, if you have fresh lemon, that will be perfect. If you have limes, you could also use that. I wash my shrimp in lemon or lime because I don't like this raw scent that the shrimp has. So I do that. I drain the water from the shrimp. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some more water to cover the shrimp. Then you go ahead and you add some more lemon blend just to give it a second rinse to make sure it smells fresh, it's not raw or anything like that. You go ahead, you drain the water off. And there you have it. Your shrimp is fresh and ready to be cooked.